Welcome back to SRC.
It's Dream Big Week.
And today we'll be reading Ruby Finds a Worry by Tom Percival.
And we'll also be making these superhero cuffs, so stay tuned.
Today we'll be reading Ruby Finds a Worry by Tom Percival, and this book is published by Bloomsbury Children's Books. If you would like to listen to Ruby Finds a Worry, click the link in the description below.
Hey guys, today we are making superhero cuffs, so let's get started.
For this craft, these are the resources we will need. We'll need some metallic paper. So we have blue metallic paper, red sparkle paper, and silver sparkle paper. But you could use whatever kind of paper you have at home. Maybe some construction paper. A pencil, a glue gun, and scissors. For the first step, we're going to cut out the cuff. So you want to make sure that the cuff is big enough to fit around your wrist. And there will be no clasp on it, so you want to make sure that it can slide in on and off your hand. So measure how big that's going to be so that you can center your design to be on the front of your wrist. Now you can start with designing. So we decided to do red glitter paper on the edges of our blue metallic paper. Next, we decided to make a star out of our silver glitter paper. So we drew a star on the back and then proceeded to cut it out. And then we will glue that to the middle of our superhero cuff, like so. So because our paper was so thick, we kind of had to bend the paper a little bit so that when we turned it into a cuff, it didn't break or come off of the metallic paper. So you're going to twist it and turn it into a cuff like so, and you can kind of tuck the one side into the other so that the red line of glitter paper is continuous around the entire cuff or bracelet.
Alright, our superhero cuffs are complete. Hope you guys had fun.
Thanks for tuning in!